In this video, we'll show you how to create manual orders in Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is click on orders and then go ahead and click on create orders, and then you can search products or add custom items. So for example, I will name the item example, and then you can include the price like 200 and then the quantity, for example 2. And then also you can check if item is a physical product or item is taxable. And then, if it's physical product, just add the item with it's optional and then click on add item once you have done. You can also browse the products here, but for this example, I have no product. So just click on add if you have a products here. And then, after that, for example, this is our product. You can add a discount here by clicking it. Just click on create discount. And then you will see we will have a lot of options like free shippings like that, and then you can also add a shipping and delivery options. So you can name the free shipping like example, and then the price like 100, and then click on done. And then in estimated tax, if it has a tax, you can uncheck or check this if it's charge taxes. And then, here on the right side, you can also add a notes. So I will just type example only and then click on done. And then we can search a customer here or create a new customer by clicking on this. So let's proceed. For example, type the customer first name, last name, their language, their email, their country, their company, their address, apartment, postal code, city, region, and then phone number. And then, once you have done, just click on save. And then, in the markets, you will see that it is Philippines, and then you will see the currency here. And then, here you can also add a tags here. So, I will just type example. And then you can also check the payment due later if you want, or based on the customer, like for 7 days like that. And then you can send an invoice or mark as paid. Like when sending invoice, just type here the names gmail.com, and then click on review invoice once you have done, and then click on mark as paid. And then here you will see the mark this order as a paid if you receive 500 like that, and then click on create order. And then you will see below about the updates, like you manually mark 500, you added note this order like that. And then here you will see that it is unfulfilled, so you can mark as fulfilled or mark as in progress or mark as on hold like that. So we'll just click this mark as fulfilled. And then you can also add a tracking if you want to track it, like just type the tracking number of the product and then shipping carrier, choose this like Amazon Logistic and click on save. And then you will see the information of the customer here on the right side, like contact information. You can add their email, like I showed you earlier. Then their phone number. Then click on save. Then about the shipping address. Here. Can complete this and fill out this. Then the billing address, you will see the billing address of the customer here. And also look at these more actions, you can duplicate it, and then you can print it also, and then you can also edit it, and then you can return or refund here. And then you can also delete order. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.